got some lovely colour here today.
We do, yeah.
We're sowing beetroot.
We are going to sow beetroot, yeah. So it is now the middle of April, which then we can kind of broaden out into our full choice of beetroot varieties. But if we were sowing earlier in the season, you can sow seeds under cover in February for planting out later. You need to sow a bolt resistant variety, and the best one is bolt hardy. But in April, we don't really need to worry about that. So for our classic purple beetroot, we're going to go for a Pablo F1, which in my opinion is the best. For a bit of fun then, we're going to do color mix, which is going to give us some nice yellow, beetroot, magenta, different colors there. And then finally, Chioggia, which is this beautiful striped beetroot. I think really for flavor, especially if you're pickling or roasting, your classic purple beetroots are best. The less purple ones tend to be a little bit sweeter, but don't have that kind of depth of beetroot earthy flavor. But all three still great. So we're going to go ahead and sow them now. So let's get going.